If you want to step up your cooking game when it comes to tuna, don't just eat it out of a can. Make yourself a fresh piece. I'm gonna start off with some olive oil, some salt, some pepper. Don't forget to do the other side. More oil, more salt, pepper. And you see all this leftover salt and pepper? Don't waste it. Dab the sides of the fish and add a little avocado oil. So here's a little trick. If you want the fish to be cooked perfectly, don't cook it right after you take it out of the fridge. Make sure it sits outside for about 30 minutes. Cook the tuna for about 1.5 minutes on each side. Now you may be tempted to eat this right away, but you can't. Let it sit there. Treat it like a steak. You can add some olive oil on. Put some fresh lemon juice, and there you have it. Perfectly cooked tuna. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel and check out these other great videos.